Does your desktop look like this? Messy and unorganized? In this video, I'll give you a complete guide on how to transform your messy desktop from this to this. I will be dividing the video into 3 sections: basic, intermediate, and advanced, where I provide you all 3 levels of minimalism for your desktop. First thing to do is to clean up our desktop. We can start off by right-clicking on our desktop view, then turn off show desktop icons. Next is to clean up our taskbar by removing the unnecessary icons, hiding our search icon, disable Copilot in Windows, task view, widgets, pen menu, and virtual touchpad. While we're at it, we should hide all these icons by grouping them into the hidden icon menu. We should unpin all of these icons at the start menu and just pin all the icons that we frequently use. We should also group them and name them based on their functionalities. For our basic tier of minimalism, we will download a minimalistic wallpaper from Google. Next is to change our color theme. I prefer something dark as it suits my eyes. And there we have it, our basic tier of minimalism. It is simple yet effective on getting the work done. Nothing too much is going on in the background, as we are just using the basic settings of Windows to change it to our desired customization. For our intermediate tier of minimalism, we will start where we left off. We will download a paid program called Wallpaper Engine from Steam. It only costs $4 and you only paid once. I highly suggest buying it as it provides endless animated wallpapers for your desktop. If you cannot afford it for some reason, you can use an alternative program called Lively Wallpaper, which is similar to Wallpaper Engine. Once we get our desired wallpaper, we can proceed to download Translucent TB from the Microsoft Store. This is a program where you can make your taskbar fully transparent, allowing the user to see the wallpaper and other windows behind those taskbar icons. A great alternative to this, if you wish to only limit the taskbar size based on the amount of icons you have on it, is called Rounded TB, which you can also get it from the Microsoft Store. These 2 programs are free to download. For our final tier of minimalism, as usual, we will start where we left off. We are going to download a software called Rainmeter. It is a free software where you can add widgets to your desktop. After downloading it, you can just find a skin online. It should automatically be loaded on your desktop, and you can customize the widgets to your own personal preferences. The last thing we want to add is a custom mouse icon. You can find them somewhere online, like in DeviantArt, and just find a free version of it. After that, just change your mouse icons to the things that you downloaded, and this is what it ends up. And there you have it, a complete guide of making your desktop clean and minimal. Which one of these tiers do you prefer? I totally prefer the intermediate tier, as it has the sweet balance of aestheticness and cleanliness while retaining the minimalism. Adding widgets for me is just extra, but it is just my take on it. But why is it important for you to have a clean desktop? Having a clean desktop dramatically improves your working life by eliminating unnecessary clutter, and it just looks aesthetic overall. If you find this video really helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.